Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix all DLL missing or error in Windows 10 or 11. So here, when you try to install or open the program or games, you encounter DLL error. So here, all you have to do now, you can install the DirectX and use a runtime web installer on the Microsoft.com official website. You can find the DirectX and user runtime web installer. So here the Microsoft DirectX app installs a number of runtime libraries from legacy DirectX SDK for some games that use DirectX 9, DirectX 10 and DirectX 11. Also audio, X Audio 2.7, X Input 1.3, X ACT and or managed DirectX 1.1. Note this package does not modify the DirectX runtime installed on your Windows operating system in any way. So here you can download. It's small, up to 300 kilobyte. After you download and install, do not reset your PC first. Next step, you can download and install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable latest supported downloads. Here on Microsoft Learn Challenge, you can find the latest version of this Visual C or this one. So you can download the X64-bit if you use Windows 11 or Windows 10 with 64-bit version. But for Windows 10 with 32-bit version, you can download this X89. So here you can click and to download and install it for free. So per link for latest supported X64 version, this X64 redistributable package contain both ARM64 and X64 binaries. This package make it easy to install required Visual C++. This one, when the X64 redistributable is installed on an ARM64 device, so you can download this and this. After you download and install both DirectX and Visual C, now you can restart your system and try to rerun the game or reinstall the game. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.